So you just pump this one until it's going fast enough.
Yeah, you hold this in.
Okay.
And then get that to cranking a little bit, and then you let go of the compression. You have to hold the compression release in.
This one. And then
you have to do it a few times. Let go of the compression release. Let go of the compression release.
Oh.
You have to have the momentum and then let go of the lever.
Oh, okay. I heard like, yeah. Ah!
Almost had it.
Woo! I started off my first 1933 motorcycle. Ah! In the vintage garage. Wait, I want to push this open too. Yeehaw! Make way for the 1933 Moto Guzzi.
The other thing that helps the gas last longer is if you keep the tanks full.
Oh.
So there's not as much air in there for water condensation and all that. So most of the bikes here do have full tanks, except for when Nick leaves the gas on.
Good job, Nick. How often do you warm up everything?
Well, depends on what kind of bike it is as far as whether it's got carburetors or fuel injection.
Okay.
And all the modern bikes are on battery tenders.
Oh, okay.
And we got those by the crateful. And
on eBay?
Yeah, or Amazon. The blue tape that you see on the bikes is like an indication of when the last time the bike was run.
Rad.
Or if we do anything about...
So we're going to put anything here today?
Oh yeah, we'll put today's date on it. And put your name on there.
And this is how you start it up.
Ignition's retarded. You don't really need the choke. Pulling in the compression release.
Woo-hoo! That's how you start it up. It's the vibration. The vibration is moving the motorcycle. You get on it first. Okay.
Rub it up. Pull in the clutch. All the way. You're going to do this pretty quick. It's going to grind like a son of a bitch. Keep your RPM up a little bit though. Okay, you're off.
That's it? It's got a wobbly seat because it's a Springer seat. This is the oldest motorcycle I've been on. Oh, no rear view mirrors. You know, if the Honda was like the Lola bike, this is like my great grandma bike. It's a wobbly seat, but it's that seat, the one that's got a spring. This is so friggin' cool. Wow. It really feels old. Fantastic. Great opportunity to be on an old Moto Guzzi. And Chris over there is taking another old motorcycle. Amazing! Hi, Chris. Where is the rear brake of this thing? Okay. And how do I kick it into neutral? This one. Side. Okay, I just do it fast, right? Okay, I got it. Amazing. 1933 Moto Guzzi. Did they have model names for these? 33. Produces a lot of heat too. Ooh, trying to kickstart a Harley. Oh, there you go. Okay, here we go. There are no twisties where we are going, okay? Okay. Sharp turns. Woo, this clutch is a pain. Yes. That vibration. Wow. This is an old bike, a new experience. No signal lights here. We have to use the old school. But I shifted to second. Oh, wait. Wait, I need to shift. It's just in second. Actually, I think I accidentally shifted to third. Uh-oh. Ah! Hey, comfortable. Suspension of a Springer seat. Whoa! 1933 Moto Guzzi up Palomar Mountain. How sick is that? I'm just quiet because I don't know the turns here. I'm focusing. I really am. I can't believe I'm on the twisties. That's what we call it in the Philippines, twisties. I'm on the twisties on a 1933 motorcycle. And it doesn't have a speedometer. So the cops can't chase me. Oh, there. Lovely. Okay. Rear brake, which happens to be on the left side. Neutral. Woo!
Okay, now get your foot on the center stand. Okay. Balance it on the stand. You put your weight on it and just lean forward.
There you go. Ooh, this is amazing. Wow. Thank you, Chris, for this experience. Yeah. Technically, it's day 2.
Well, okay, yeah, you got me there.
Okay, you want me to do that? I saw you do it a while ago.
Alright.
So you just pump this one until it's going fast enough.
Yeah, you hold this in.
Okay.
And then get that to cranking a little bit, and then you let go of the compression. You have to hold the compression release in.
This one. And then.
You have to do it a few times. Let go of the compression release. Let go of the compression release.
Oh.
You have to have the momentum and then let go of the lever.
Oh, okay. I heard like, yeah. Ah!
Almost had it.
Woo! I started on my first 1933 motorcycle. Ah! We got it. You want me to start it for you? Yeah, I got that one going. This one is this is the kick. That looks like an old bicycle pedal. Are you serious? Okay, you take the lead. I am gonna follow you. Went forward. Okay, and then I'll kick it up. I got it. Okay. This clutch is not very forgiving. Okay, I'm engaged. First gear. Gear engaged! The brakes of this. Oh, there you go. The brakes of this Moto Guzzi are on the heel. Heelys. I'm gonna play it safe on first. Everyone can go overtake me if they want. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. Okay, go second gear. Because the front brake is a pain. bit of a bitch. Rear brake works. Speed demons, sorry for being slow. Ah! Alrighty. Okay, a Moto Guzzi just smoked you. Really? At the full stop. Oh wait, and I have to shift to first gear. Look at this motorcycle. Oh my god. Oh, we are going over the grass. Couple of things to get used to. One, the shifting is of course a hand shift, stick shift, whatever you call it. And brake is on the left. There's dog poop. Okay, and let's get it into neutral. And then the engine switch. What is this engine killer called? Compression release, aka old school kill switch. Compression release. And that's the kill switch, y'all. Wow. Moto Guzzi 1933. Huh. Fuel. Wire wheels. Spoked wheels. You see a lot of new motorcycles trying to get those spoked wheels. All the modern classics want the spoked wheels. Okay, great. 1, 2, and up you go. Okay.
Turn off the gas.
You have to turn off the gas. Time space warp. Be nice today.
Me always. Actually, you weren't cussing much yesterday.
There's nothing. You know, it's so zen over here. There's nothing.
Yeah, you didn't have as much stuff to piss you off.
Yeah.
Rather than fighting with the...
I got it. How many people does it take to turn on a GoPro?
Is this the start of a Polish joke?
Yeah. Up Palomar Mountain. It's time to eat. We are here over back at Mother's Kitchen. They open at 9 a.m. so that's perfect. Hey Nelson, you're gonna be on video. So thanks for making it up to San Diego with Hebby. You too. Bye Hebby. Thanks for making it. You're on video. Woohoo! And he came in a Harley Fat Boy. This is one of his many motorcycles. Yeah, you said it.
Oh, on the band?
Yeah. Do I have to blur your face?
Okay, helmet camera's rolling.
Helmet camera's rolling.
Yeah.
This is Jonathan's 959 Panigale. Bye, Jonathan. I'll see you soon. Your camera. Bye. Yeah, nice meeting you here. Yeah.
Next time.
Thanks for watching the vlog.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals apple.
It's about you.